Inside this facility, life itself is engineered with absolute precision. Every parameter is monitored. All incoming synthetic materials are processed through automated precision receiving bays.
Increasing the muscle density on the thoracic limb.
Perfect, the stress tests hold.
Digital designs become physical reality. Precision cutting creates flawless templates. Perfecting the synthetic frame. Each framework is rotated, realizing complex forms.
These non-animal membranes mimic real skin. They are perfect for future medical use.
Inside the chamber, robotic arms apply precise gradients. Every membrane is
Inside the chamber, precise environmental controls are vital. Each membrane must dry perfectly.
Synthetic biology meets precision engineering, perfecting the optics of tomorrow's creatures. Precision robotics install the synthetic eyes. Each component is aligned to the millimeter. Welcome to the future of synthetic organism manufacturing. Here, biological designs.
Synthetic skin is applied with flawless precision. Every tension roller ensures a perfect, glossy finish.
Here, bioengineering meets imagination. Each limb is fused with flawless precision. Synthetic scales are applied with absolute precision. Every ridge and plate is perfectly fused. Here, precision is absolute. Each synthetic head is fused with its bioconstruct. The process takes mere seconds. Within this chamber, art meets advanced robotics. Each creature receives its unique bioluminescent glow.
Here, the synthetic limbs are carefully attached. Highly precise modules are installed. Each movement.
Artificial core stabilization is now complete. Inside the chamber, the atmosphere is strictly controlled. Sensors scan every surface.
Lane 4, Subject 0B, entering the rotation matrix. Here, biological designs undergo stress tests. This machine simulates extreme muscle tension.
Each synthetic creature is carefully scanned. Every texture must meet strict quality standards.
Each correction requires absolute precision. Automated tools ensure a seamless repair. Each organism is carefully tracked. Scanners assign a production class. Movement never stops. Every creature is precisely sorted, driven by advanced robotic systems. Each habitat is carefully calibrated. Here, the galaxy's rarest find, a temporary home. Here, the future of specialized habitats takes shape. Precision robotics ensure a flawless.
All life support systems are now fully operational.
Each creature undergoes rigorous synchronization. No detail is overlooked. Inside this facility, life support capsules are prepared. Each unit is reinforced for secure transport. Each capsule is precisely aligned. All transport units must pass through full biometric screening. Any structural anomaly triggers.
Capsule 4 is secured. Proceed to Bay 2. Initiate the final seal.
This facility represents the peak of off-world logistics. Every creature requires precise. This habitat represents a pinnacle of engineering. Every breath they take is carefully monitored.